yellow vehicles are working on the sandy beach. I'm excavator. I'm forklift truck. Let's work together. Hello, I'm garbage truck. I will collect trash from the beach to keep it clean. Hey garbage truck, how is work going? Hello, everything is all good like it should be. I'm working hard to clean up this beach. What about you? Great, I'm digging the ground to prepare for building a children's playground here. Hi everyone, the beach looks much cleaner after we finish this task. Absolutely, working together will make everything easier. Good job everyone. I will move on to the next location to continue my work. Thank you for your help. Good luck. Oh no! Not good. My engine is broken. Are you okay? You seem like you need some help. Let's call crane truck. Hello, crane truck. I need assistance. Could you come and pick me up? Of course, don't worry. I will be there right away. Don't worry, I will take you to the garage to fix. Thank you so much. I can always rely on you. Done. I have checked it up. It works now better. Thanks. You're really skilled at this. Oh no! My machine is on fire. Let's call the firefighters. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. You are safe now. Thank you once again. Now I have to get back to work. Best of luck. The vehicles continue their work supporting each other and overcoming challenges.
Goodbye.